Hello everyone, welcome to Login Chat. In this video, we'll learn how to change your ChatGPT account password. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, if you're already in your ChatGPT window, what you need to do is log out from it. And after you log out, you'll find this login and sign in option once again. Click on the login option. Enter your Gmail. Tap on continue. And click on forget password right under the password box. Tap on continue once again. And with this, an email would be sent to you in order to reset your password. Now check your email. Open it. Select the reset password button. And with this, you'll be now able to change your new password. Enter your new password. Re-enter your new password once again. And then finally, select the reset password option. With this, your password would be changed. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.